Let me show you how you can add funny videos like this or like this on your videos. But please hit the plus sign to follow my page and tag this video as your favorite. Support me to share this video so that others will also learn how to do this editing. Tap the plus sign like you want to make a post. Go to your gallery, select the video that you want to add the funny sound.
Poorest man in my village?
Let's go to the editing.
Could you believe I'm the poorest man in my village?
Stop the video, then split. Tap on the video, then you click split. Then add that funny sound now. Add it. Watch what will happen.
Could you believe I'm the poorest man in my village? Why are you laughing over it?
This is how to create such a funny video here in TikTok. Share this video for more.